Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 46 by 60 chair mat. This thing is extremely nice. Thank you guys for sending this. I am equally impressed not only with its texture, but it's also its color. This is an espresso color. It does come in a variety of different colors, but the lay flat design, anti-wrinkle, I mean, this thing, we just rolled this out, and I mean, it is already laying extremely flat. I think it'll only just flatten out even more over time. Does have a couple notable features. Before I put the chair on, I wanted to show you. One is this edging. This is a tapered design on the edge where they have smashed this edge down, angled it down, making this extremely low profile. So not going to be trip hazard, easy to roll the chair over the top of it. It also has this nice rubberized backing. It's going to help protect your floors. So that's really great. And this texture here is really durable, really nice, and loving the color. See, a lot of these come in like an acrylic or a standard color. This one here, look at that. I just rolled it over, just rolls right over the top of it. It's like it's not even there, which is fantastic. And it's not going anywhere, which is great. So now as you're rolling around, it's like on a hard surface, and that's going to be fantastic. So that way, if you happen to accidentally roll off, not a big deal. Roll right back on. If you have those little vacuum cleaners, the little floor vacs, they can easily go over the top of this and clean it as well, not get hung up on it like they do a lot of the thicker glass mats, which is great. Comes in a variety of different sizes and a lot of different colors, giving you customization for your own home. Thank you guys again for sending this. This is going to work great in my office.